it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm here with the lovely Charlotte. And if you want a guide to the perfect summer hair, look no further. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, a bit of hair history. What I've done with Charlotte today is she's got shorter hair. Charlotte has. So what I've done is I've just clipped in some extensions to give me that nice length down the back, because this style does look great with longer hair, but you can definitely try it on shorter hair. It does still work. I've also just used the prep tool on her hair, which gives like a tiny little micro crimp just to create sort of volume. Again, you don't have to do that. And I've curled Charlotte's hair because of the layers. I don't want these to pop out of the braids straight. So I've just curled the hair. So if any of these bits do pop out, it looks kind of cute and it's all curled and pretty. So I'm just starting off by putting a little bit of back comb through the roots at the front and at the side. This is optional. It just kind of gives the braid a little bit of a fuller look. So I'm just taking this top section of hair. I've got a little bit of extension in there just to help with the length. I'm just going to twist this out my way, and we'll deal with this in a minute. So Charlotte has got tapes in as well, so I'm just kind of taking this slice of hair, trying to sort of position it so that we can't see those tapes. I'm just going to sweep this across. If you've got no extensions and no tapes, it's a lot easier. Again, on this side, exactly the same. So I'm just going to pop this into a little ponytail with an elastic. And then I'm just going to put this out the way. And then I'm going to do the same again. So a section from this side. And I will just be able to kind of tease this hair down in a minute just to make sure we can't see the extensions. I'm going to keep taking sections of hair from either side. So I'm just going to release this hair. So all your ponytails and this top piece of hair here. It's looking crazy, but trust me, it's not going to look crazy in a minute. So you're going to be doing a regular pull through braid now, guys, but with a bit of a difference, because this top section we're going to break into two and we're going to cross over like so. You're then going to take hold of the ponytail that's in the middle, and we're just going to clip this out of the way for a second. You're then going to take these two sections and we're just going to add them into this ponytail here. So join them all together, take another elastic, join these three together like so. You're then going to release this down. Before we go any further, we're just going to have a little bit of a play with this top section. So I'm just going to kind of like tease it up a little bit. Okay, we're coming back to this top ponytail, guys, and again we're going to break it into two, and again you're going to cross them over. You're then going to grab this ponytail here, lift it up, pin it out the way, take these two pieces and join them into this ponytail here. And again we're going to go into these side bits here and tease out. Haven't got too much hair to play with yet because this is still Charlotte's fairly short hair, but because I curled it, if bits do pop out, it should look fine. So I'm down to my last two. I'm going to do the crossover again. But as I cross over now, I'm just going to join these two together underneath here. But can you see how these two pieces and this piece is quite different in thickness? So what I'm going to do is just borrow some out of this one like that to sort of even up the strands. Clip this one out of the way like we have been doing. Grab all these three and put an elastic in. Last one, guys, and I'll show you just how to finish this style. So I'm just taking this last section here, crossing it over as we did before, and then I'm just going to allow this top section to just kind of flow through that braid. I'll show you what I mean. So releasing that last one down. So I'm really going to tease this bottom section out. So you can sort of decide, guys, on how much of this braid you want to tease out. I'll just do a little spin so you can see. So there you have it. That's our summer look for today. If you love the big braids, don't forget to check out Bailey's braid. It's like a cheap way of doing it. You can pull the braid massive. I'm sure you're going to love it. And I'll see you again from the video soon. Bye.